Warning, you do need a Steam copy of ULTRAKILL to do this. You cannot do this for free. It's the only way. If you don't have a copy, go to Steam, buy the game. It's pretty awesome. Anyhow, let's roll the intro. Hello, and welcome. Today we are going to be learning how to play VR ULTRAKILL, and what you need for that is a PC, a VR headset, a Steam copy of ULTRAKILL, and Steam VR. That's kind of it, so let's get straight to it. You want to open up your browser, and you want to go down in the description here, and you want to find the first link or the first line of text in the section called Downgrading. This line of text right here. You want to paste that into your browser like I did, press enter, and then allow it to open Steam. There we go. Now we're in the console. This is where we're going to downgrade the game from. You want to take the second line of text in the downgrading section of the description, paste that into the console, like that. Now, do a little space, there we go, and then you want to opt out of it. Then you want to go to SteamDB, as in Steam database, right here. You want to search up ULTRAKILL, and from ULTRAKILL you want to go to the pots, then ID, then manifest or history. I recommend going to manifest because history is a bit hard to read. So when you're in manifest, you want to look at this one right here, the 13th of May. This is the update straight before the Ultra revamp, and the current version of VR ULTRAKILL or VR ULTRAKILL cannot be played in the Ultra revamp update. So you want to click on this and copy this, or you can go down to the description and take the ID code from there. Alright, then you want to opt into your Steam console and paste that in. Remember the space right here. It's very important, have a space between these. Alright, then you want to press enter. It should start a download. What we're essentially doing here is downgrading the game, as you've heard, where we download a old version of ULTRAKILL that works with VR ULTRAKILL. Alright, so you just want to let this download, and I'll meet you from there. Alright, now that it's completed, you want to look at this this shortcut right here. You want to just copy it. Alright, and you want to go into your file explorer like this. And then you want to go from your file explorer, you want to go up here and paste in the path you just copied, and then press enter. Now you will see a version of ULTRAKILL here, and you probably want your saves as well. All the Sisyphus P ranking you've been doing, you probably want that over to VR. So what we're gonna do from there is go to library, go to ULTRAKILL, then you want to just go into here, the little cog here, and you want to go to browse local files. Then from here, you want to take your saves here, you want to copy it, you want to paste it into here, like that, and you want to press replace. This will replace your own saves with the old ones, the new save. Now you can also add in preferences and palettes. I recommend doing that since it saves your weapon configuration. So I'm just gonna put in the palettes and put in the saves, or the preferences right here. There we go, and always replace. There we go. Alright, now what you want to do now is you want to go and take the third link, or the third line of text in the description here, which is a link to BlepenX, or I don't even know, this thingy right here. It's in the section called modding. So here we go. You're gonna press enter. Then you wanna look for your version of your computer. You wanna, if you know, you might not know, but if you have a 64 base system or CPU architecture, you're gonna pick the 64. If you have an 86 base architecture, you're gonna pick the 86 right here. But I have a 64 base system, so I'm gonna pick this right here. It's downloaded, very nice. And then you want to go into the BlepenX file right here, and then you want to take out the pot here, the little ULTRAKILL version, and inside of this BlepenX file, you want to just copy all of this, put it over to here, and there we go. Now you want to do a little safe launch here, so BlepenX can load and download everything like it needs to. Then you want to go to options and controls, and make sure that every control right here is set to the normal controls. Right? It will ruin the mod if you haven't put it on base game controls. Very nice. Then you want to quit the game. Then you want to go to your browser again and take the fourth link in the description to this thing right here. It's in the section called modding right here. This is to the GitHub page for ULTRAKILL, the mod we're downloading. You want to just scroll down a bit and then go to download latest. Now you want to download the VR ULTRAKILL zip right here. Now you want to open this up, and because we did a downgrade, this is going to be a bit different than just doing it to the normal game. We actually don't want to just copy the ULTRAKILL file into here. We want to open it up and do like this. And you want to replace. There we go. And that should be good. Now you want to go into your Steam right here. And you want to add a new game. Add a non-Steam game. You want to click browse. Then you want to find your depot by pasting in this this path right here. There we go. And then you want to click on ULTRAKILL and press open. Now you've selected that game. You want to press this blue button here, add selected programs. Then in the ULTRAKILL we've just added, you can go to properties, then change the logo by going into BlepenX, plugins, ULTRAKILL, and icon. Then you can name it ULTRAKILL. There we go. Very nice. Now you can opt out of this. And there we have it, ULTRAKILL. Okay, cool. So from here, you want to download Steam VR. It's a free application. You might already have it. But if you don't, you need to download Steam VR. You can put on your headset and open up Airlink or Rift or Valve or whatever you use. Now you just want to launch VR ULTRAKILL or ULTRAKILL like this, and it should launch Steam VR. Alright, the game seems to be running. Very nice. Let's see. Does it work? It indeed does.
Now, my right controller disconnected promptly, which is a bit sad. I'll try to get that fixed. Right now. There we are. Let's go into the sandbox and see what this has to offer. Very cool. It is real ULTRAKILL in the VR game form. Everything works. Yeah, cool. Alright. So that was kind of it. I decided to make this video because there's not really any videos on how to do this. Or at least not the current updates, I think. And yeah. Have a great day. And I'll hopefully see you another time.